This is just too crazy. Just now, early this morning, Beijing time, Tesla released its Q1 2026 earnings report. The moment the news broke, after-hour stock surged but then came the plot twist. During the earnings call, Elon Musk happily announced three major things. The moment he finished, the stock pulled a U-turn, dropping from nearly plus 4% to negative 1.11%. What exactly happened? What did Musk say to make investors flip so fast? Let's look at the earnings report itself first. Honestly, this quarter's results beat almost everyone's expectations. Revenue hit $22.38 billion, up 16% year over year, marking the strongest growth rate in nearly 3 years. Remember, last quarter saw a 3% YoY decline. This quarter was a total turnaround. Even crazier is the EPS of $0.41, beating Wall Street's expected $0.34 by a full 20%, with net income up 17% YoY. Gross margin didn't drop. It rose from 20.1% last quarter to 21.1%, setting a new single-quarter high since Q4 2022. Think that looks good? What completely blindsided Wall Street was the free cash flow. Before this, almost all mainstream analysts predicted that Tesla's FCF would turn negative for the first time in 2 years. Morgan Stanley analyst Andrew Pakoko even predicted full-year capital expenditure would surge to between $25 and $35 billion. The result? Tesla delivered a positive free cash flow of $1.44 billion, more than doubling Yo, while analysts had expected negative $1.86 billion. Investing.com's senior analyst Thomas Monteiro immediately commented that this cash flow data gave Musk and his team more ammunition and bought them more time. Just a year ago, in Q1 2025, Tesla's net profit plunged 71% Y, and the global deliveries hit a new low since 2022. At that time, all of Wall Street was debating whether Tesla was past its prime. Less than a year later, revenue is up 16% and gross profit is up 50%. The speed of this comeback is faster than a roadster. Alright, now let's get to tonight's main event. What exactly did Musk announce on the call that made the stock dive from plus 4% into the red? Musk dropped 3 bombshells at once. Bombshell Hasho, a massive increase in capital expenditure. While the stock was still up after the release, Musk flat out announced that the company would significantly increase investments. Then CFO Taneja dropped an even heavier hammer. Full-year capital expenditure will exceed $25 billion. That's at least $5 billion more than the $20 billion guidance given in last year's Q4 report. The CFO also made it clear that free cash flow for the rest of the year will be negative, meaning Q1's beautiful FCF was just a brief window. Those two statements instantly wiped out the after-hours gains. Bombshell #2, the Optimus factory and the biggest chip fab. In the investor presentation, Musk showed a freshly leveled plot of land right near Giga, Texas. They're building a dedicated factory for the Gen 2 Optimus robot, with a designed capacity of 10 million units a year. Meanwhile, the Fremont factory line that used to make the Model S and Model X will be retrofitted to produce the Gen 1 Optimus. Just like that, 2 luxury sedans are replaced by robots, officially exiting the stage of history. Musk also gave a timeline. The Gen 2 line at the new Texas plant will start production in 2027. He also announced that Tesla is partnering with SpaceX to build the largest chip factory in history. Starting with an R&D fab at the Texas campus, they already taped out their next-gen AI inference processor in April. Bombshell #3, full-speed robotaxi expansion. Driverless services are already live in Dallas and Houston, with Phoenix, Miami, and Las Vegas up next. Meanwhile, FSD subscribers have reached 1.28 million, up 51%. Yo, that $99 a month subscription fee is quietly turning into a massive cash cow. This is Elon Musk's true Tesla story. He's telling investors, Tesla is not a declining EV company, it's a company using car sale profits to bet on a 10x future. And that race is just beginning. 1 million robots, driverless cars covering major US cities, and in-house chips. Today, Elon is using insane capital expenditure to turn these 3 massive dreams into reality. Do you think he can pull it off? Let me know your answers in the comments below.